In the rapidly evolving technological landscape of the United Arab Emirates, 3D scanning services have emerged as a game changer for numerous industries. At the forefront of this innovation stands Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, a company that has established itself as one of the best 3D scanning service providers in the UAE. With their cutting-edge technology and expertise, Scon Design India is revolutionizing how businesses approach design, engineering, and quality control processes. Scon Design India's state-of-the-art 3D laser scanning services offer unparalleled precision and efficiency. Their advanced scanners capture millions of data points in minutes, creating highly accurate digital representations of physical objects and environments. This technology enables clients to obtain detailed 3D models, which can be used for a wide range of applications, from reverse engineering to architectural preservation. The benefits of Scon Design India's 3D scanning services are manifold. Firstly, it significantly reduces the time and cost associated with traditional measurement methods. Complex geometries that would take days to measure manually can now be captured in hours with sub-millimeter accuracy. Secondly, the non-contact nature of laser scanning makes it ideal for fragile or sensitive objects, ensuring no damage occurs during the measurement process. Additionally, the comprehensive data collected allows for in-depth analysis and visualization, facilitating better decision-making and design optimization. In Dubai's dynamic business ecosystem, Scon Design India's services cater to a diverse range of industries. The construction and architecture sector benefits from their ability to create as-built documentation of existing structures, aiding in renovation and restoration projects. For manufacturing companies, their reverse engineering capabilities enable rapid prototyping and quality control. The oil and gas industry utilizes their services for plant mapping and equipment modeling, enhancing safety and efficiency in operations. What sets Scon Design India apart in the UAE market is their commitment to staying at the forefront of technological advancements. They continually invest in the latest scanning equipment and software, ensuring their clients have access to the most advanced solutions available. Their team of highly skilled technicians and engineers possesses extensive